Here's what you need to know about trucking industry compliance. Fast, clear, and no fluff. If you're a trucker or run a trucking business, staying compliant with regulations isn't just about following the rules. It's about keeping your business rolling smoothly and safely. First up, let's talk about why compliance matters. Trucking regulations are there to ensure everyone's safety on the road. They help prevent accidents, protect drivers, and make sure that operations run fairly and efficiently. Plus, failing to comply can lead to hefty fines or even suspension of your business operations. So it's not just about safety, it's about keeping your business thriving. Now you might be wondering, what are some of these regulations? Well, there are quite a few, but let's hit the highlights. You've got your vehicle maintenance requirements, which make sure your trucks are roadworthy. Then there's driver qualification files, which include background checks and regular medical exams to confirm that your drivers are fit for the road. And don't forget about hours of service regulations, which prevent driver fatigue by limiting how long drivers can be on the road without a break. Next, there's the paperwork. The paperwork. It can be a real headache, but it's essential for compliance. For instance, you'll need to keep track of your company's safety records and ensure all drivers have the necessary licenses. Plus, you'll have to deal with various forms that can be complex and time-consuming. This is where FMCSA registration comes in. We are the top online service provider for the transportation industry. We help motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the U.S. with all their FMCSA registration compliance needs. Another key area of compliance is staying up to date with new regulations. The trucking industry is always changing, and regulations can shift too. Keeping informed is crucial to ensure you don't miss any updates that could affect your operations. Regular training and compliance audits can help you stay on top of these changes. Lastly, let's talk about the impact of technology on compliance. With electronic logging devices, ELDs, and other tech tools, it's easier than ever to keep track of hours, vehicle maintenance, and more. These tools not only help with compliance but can also boost your efficiency. So there you have it, a quick rundown of why compliance is so important in the trucking industry. Remember, staying compliant isn't just a legal obligation. It's a way to protect your business and ensure its success. And if you ever feel overwhelmed, remember that FMCSA Registration.com is here to help keep you on the right track. Visit us at FMCSARegistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Thanks for tuning in and drive safely.